in the Northeast, you are getting a bit of wintry weather through New York and on into New England. Snow and icy conditions. This is what we're thinking, where it's going to be a concern as far as traveling. A swath of snow here from the Dakotas through Minnesota and Iowa, back into maybe southern Wisconsin and southern portions of Michigan. Then on the southern fringe of that area of wintry weather, maybe some ice mixing in. As that warm, moist air overrides the colder air to the north, you may have sleet or freezing rain to contend with. And keep in mind that it doesn't take much icy weather to cause real problems out there on the roads. Be extra careful around Detroit, back towards Chicago, maybe Des Moines. These are among the areas that will be affected, we think. As beyond that time frame, as we head beyond noon Tuesday on into Wednesday morning, that system pushing eastward, so snow is going to be moving into parts of Pennsylvania and New Jersey and Virginia and West Virginia, and again some icy conditions maybe mixing in here, perhaps around Cleveland and back into northwestern portions of Pennsylvania. The precipitation to the north, falling in the form of rain. Here's our flood watch. The chance for wet weather anywhere from Illinois and Indiana back to the Gulf Coast, where we're already seeing some wet weather and some moist air here. Dew points in the 60s through Texas and along the Gulf Coast. Your actual air temperatures, 69 now in Houston, 58 in Atlanta, 36 in Chicago. Northward, some of the coldest air we can find here is through the Dakotas and on into Minnesota, where International Falls already dropping down to 4 degrees. Well, what's going to be going on Tuesday morning? Here's our low. We'll watch it moving eastward. Rain, snow, icy conditions in between, and by the afternoon, these are the areas that we think will be affected. Again, a swath of snow here. Orange indicates the icy weather to the south, rain, and some storms here. Look out for that. There could be enough instability to cause a bit of storminess on the southern edge of our system. Time now for our Pacific regional forecast. You can sort of see the snow and the ice and the wet weather here. By the northwest, you're going to have rain. Continued cloud cover, sort of murky weather. Look out around Seattle, Portland. Soggy conditions for you. Snow for the Cascades. On into the afternoon we go. Some of the same areas affected. Perhaps even more widespread precipitation here through Oregon and Washington into northern Idaho. Looking pretty quiet. Four Corners region and California. Temperatures overnight for San Diego and Long Beach and the Civic Center. Your lows will be in the mid-50s. You'll wake up to plenty of sunshine, and by the afternoon, warming up quite nicely. 73 San Diego, 82 Long Beach, and 84 for the Civic Center. Northward, 51 a low in San Francisco, 48 Monterey. Again, sunny skies here. Great weather for outdoor plans. Again, warm in the 60s, and you'll have plenty of sunshine. Seattle, windy conditions, wet weather there. Back to Salem and Coos Bay. You'll have a high of 56 in Seattle, 62 in Portland, 63 in Salem, and you will not be able to get rid of the wet weather or the wind even into the afternoon, so get ready. It's not going to be the nicest of days in the Pacific Northwest. Well, stay tuned. Coming up next, we'll update your travel conditions from coast to coast.